Welcome na naman sa isang edition natin ng toy review. This time, ang fini-feature natin ay yung Voyager class Optimus Prime, yung otherwise known as Battle Blades Optimus Prime Voyager class. Hunt for the Decepticons toy line. Okay, first of all, bigyan ko muna kayong background about this toy. Last year, 1,700 pesos tong ano na to, tong item na to. Pero this year, 2011, ang bili ko lang dito is 565. Siguro hindi ko na ikukwento kung bakit. Kasi medyo mahabang kwento yan eh. Basta ito nabili ko sa SM to. At wag nyo na alam yung bakit naging 565. Long story. Anyways, simulan na natin analysis natin dito sa toy na to. Of course, as for me, very good ang paint job niya. Especially dito sa hood. Okay, wala akong masasabi dyan. Very good. But, of course, on this part here, yung sa may bandang likod na niya, parang ano lang eh, parang sticker lang or natural na color lang nung parang hindi siya paint job eh. Ganon din naman dito. Yan. Then, medyo hindi ko rin nagustuhan dito, yung gulong niya. Ito, actually, yung dalawang gulong sa harapan, okay siya eh. Realistic pa yung dating niya eh. Pero, yung banda dito sa likod, hindi. Tingnan mo naman yung itsura niyan. Contract talaga to. Ang gulong nito sa bandang likod, hindi dapat ganito kanipis ang ano niya, ang goma niya. Kasi truck yan eh. Pag likod, alam ko, makakapal lagi ang likod yung gulong sa likod ng truck eh. Hindi ganito. Tapos, tingnan niyo yung mugs. Obserbahan nyo yung mugs dito. Parang mugs ng kotse o ng sports car. Kumpara dito, ito talaga, ganyan talaga ang gulong ng ano. Ganyan talaga ang gulong ng truck. Alright. So, ano pang mapapansin natin dito? Of course, yung stocks niya. Ito, parang malagoma. Actually, hindi ko rin maintindihan kung bakit Kasi kahit yung mga 2007 Optimus Prime na leader class, yung movie, ganito rin eh. Parang malagoma din yung stocks niya. Hindi ko alam kung ano explanation dun. Pwede naman supposed to be dapat hard plastic yan eh. Alright, so let's start our transformation of Optimus Prime. So, unahin muna natin yung mga madadaling parts. Okay, unang-una ito. Yan. Tanggalin mo to. See that? Tanggalin mo yan. Yan. Ganun din dito. Dahan-dahan lang kasi ito, actually. Medyo masikip. But you have to be careful with that. Okay? Okay, so practical magiging ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan o. Then, merong slot dito. Kailangan mo lang ipasok tong yan. Makikita mo naman yan eh. Alright. Then, ganyan ang magiging itsura niya. Then, you have to twist this part here. Oops. Again. This part. Yan. Okay. Tapos, we have to move this part. Kasi ito yung paa eh. Ito naman yung kagandahan sa Optimus Prime na movie line. Constant yan. Basta paa. Bumper yan ng bumper yan ng truck mode ni Optimus Prime. And as you can notice, medyo masikip. Hirap siyang tanggalin ha. Ayan. Ganun din to. Masikip. Mahirap tanggalin. Okay. Yun. There we go. This is something na hindi ko rin maintindihan kung bakit pag ganito yan, bakit ganyan ang pagkakagawa dyan. Anyways, you'll just have to twist this part here para maayos mo yung leg part. Yan. As well as this. Yan. Okay. Then yung paa. Ayan. Yan. And you have to open this part. Yan. You've got to hear the snap para malaman mo kung okay na talaga siya. Hear that? Ayan. So this part here. Yun. Alright. So, locking. Locking part tayo. Locking part. See that? O, gaganyan mo yan, o. Okay. And this part here as well. Kailangan malakyan. See? Then, yung legs niya, spread mo yan. O, ayusin mo yan. Ito lang nakabisit yan. Medyo picky siya. Pwede mo ayusin yan. Hop. Tanggal na kagad yung hindi dapat. And, yung arms niya. Buksan na natin. Buksan na natin yung arm. Yan. Okay, one special feature nito, ano na to? Itong Voyager class Optimus Prime. Meron siyang matrix which I'm going to show to you later. Let's just fix this first. Yung sa may bandang chest niya. Okay. Then open yung abdomen part niya. Bago yan, alisin muna natin yung ulo ni Optimus Prime. Ito. Medyo hindi lang alam pansin. Hindi nga lang siya pansin. Kaya, you have to be careful on this part. Ika nga ni Bimbi, Mama, be careful. Kasi, ayan. Alright. Yung matrix, muntik na mawala. Ayun. See this? Ito yung matrix na matrix ni Optimus Prime. Familiar to sa movie Anyways, just have to push that here. Yan. Ito lang mag-ara dito kasi in order for you to see the matrix, let me just open this part first. Yan. And of course the head, meron ka lang ilalabas dito. Yan. Para makita mo yung matrix, kailangan mong i-push yung abdomen niya. Ganyan. See? See yung matrix? Hindi mo mailalabas yung matrix kapag ka naka-normal robot mode si Optimus Prime. Alright. Now let's fix Optimus Prime now. Alright. So, ito yung one of the hardest part kasi yung paglalak ng chest niya, medyo parang medyo mahirap ilak yung chest niya kasi yan. Okay. This part here. See? Oops. Sorry. Ako pala mailak to yung ulo. Medyo mahirap yan. Supposed to be, dapat may mag-i-snap dyan Yan. Ayaw pa rin. Ayaw mag-snap. This is something na nakakainis about this toy. And, yan. Okay, nalak natin siya. Then, yung kilay ng chest niya, ayusin natin. Okay. Diyan nakalak lang siya. But, yan. Okay. This part here as well. Yan. We're almost there. We'll just have to fix the arm. See? This part as well here. See? Now, ito naman yung kagandahan dito sa Optimus Prime toy line na to kasi kuhang-kuha niya yung nasa movie. Compared dun sa 2007, medyo bulky yung upper part niya. Dito hindi siya ganun, hindi siya bulky actually. And slim siyang tignan. Parang siya. Kumbaga maskulado siya pero hindi siya bulky tignan. Doon kasi yung 2007 Optimus Prime, macho rin tignan, kaya lang bulky nga lang yung upper torso o yung niya, upper extremity niya. Whereas this one here, papansin nyo, maliit lang yung legs niya, then hindi ganun ka-bulky yung niya, yung katawan niya, yung upper torso o yung torso part niya. There we go. Yan, ito na yung ating konting adjustments lang. There we go. We have now the Optimus Prime robot mode niya. Then another special thing that we can notice here ay yung gas tank niya Oops. Ayusin muna natin tong part na to, ha? You see, kailangan mo ipasok yan dito. Oops, tutwist mo nga pala. Sorry. Twist mo yan. Yan. Alright. There we go. Optimus Prime. Robot mode. Mapapansin nyo, parang may kilay yung chest part niya, no? Alright, so this time, ang isa pang special features nito yung niya, yung gas can, yung gas tank niya. Pwede mo gawing yan baril. We'll just have to remove this part as well as this one. Okay, so ganito lang yan. See this? Kailangan mo ilabas yan. As well as this one here. There we go. Amazing. According sa mga barkada ko na nakakita na nito, o yung nakita itong Optimus Prime ko, according sa kanila, para daw Buster Prime, which is practically hindi ko pa nakikita. Alright, there we go. Nice. And one more here is that pwede mong tanggalin to para ma-twist mo yung leg niya for more posable, for more articulate poses na magagawa mo. Kasi pag na-twist mo yung leg niya, pwede mo siya i-pose na ganyan. Alright. Along with the other Optimus Primes here that we have. Okay, I would rate this Optimus Prime here, or this Voyager class Optimus Prime, as 90. Kung i-rate natin siya 100% highest, I would rate this as 90%, considering na of course merong something na rooms for improvement, like this one here. Medyo maluwag yan, which I believe hindi dapat siya ganun kaluwag, and madali siyang matanggal. Alright, this concludes our toy review for today. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to leave a comment. Have a nice day.